Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, exactly what we predicted on GBPJPY is what it has given us. I told you guys that we will be expecting this drop to level of 180. You clearly can see it. It's even dropped to a level of 178. Our buyers forecast on GBPJPY is a massive drop to a level of 180. Reason why I say that is that when you go to your daily time frame, you see that there is a double top around there. You can see that once markets came to this level, we had a drop. Markets came again to this level, rejecting since it failed to break above that level. Then we started having this drop. It was then I told you guys that since we are getting that drop, market is failing to give us a new higher highs. Then we should see it drop to level of 180. Clearly, it has done that. We've gotten to level of 180. So with what I am seeing right now, a pullback is playing out. There's one thing that a lot of traders tends to do, which I will advise you to stop it. When you've seen a massive sell, a lot of traders will start stacking in on their position because they say, okay, market has gotten to a level of 180 and it has broken to a level of 180. Guess what? They started selling. Some will have sold around the level of 79. I mean, the move already been made. GBPJPY moved, which is from here. Eventually, since it failed to enter from here, it started dropping, right? Then there's no reason why you should be taking it when the massive drop has been made. Why you should go ahead and sell? Because there's going to be a pullback, and that pullback will be massive. So definitely, you are going to get stopped out. Those of you that would not use your stop losses, you will likely blow your account. That is for sure. Those of you that use wide stop loss, you will still get stopped out. So there's no reason why you should be entering late. But with what I'm seeing right now on GBPJPY, I'm seeing a pullback. Let's see if we can get that pullback to a level of 82 for today. For today, which is Friday. Monday, I will give you guys an update next. But for now, the pullback is still to the upside, which is bullish. Do well to follow us on Telegram so you can get more updates from us. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.